Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the clip on the timeline and positioning the playhead at your intended start frame. This gives you a precise anchor. Next, select the clip so Capcut shows transform controls. You need access to scale and position to move the zoom smoothly. Once selected, decide whether to use keyframes or the built-in zoom presets. Keyframes give control while presets are faster. Make sure your clip is long enough to hold the zoom duration you want before moving to the next step. Now you animate. Add a first keyframe at the start point with your initial scale and position. This locks the beginning of the zoom. Move the playhead to the endpoint and set a second keyframe with the target scale and position so Capcut interpolates the motion. If the path looks robotic, add an intermediate keyframe and tweak values to curve the movement. Also use easing controls so the zoom accelerates or decelerates naturally. That's why viewers feel the motion is polished. Finish by previewing the clip and adjusting keyframe spacing and easing until the zoom feels intentional. Shorter spacing speeds it up, wider spacing slows it down. Make sure to crop or add a mask if zoom reveals black edges or low-res artifacts, because correcting that preserves image quality. Finally, export with matching resolution and higher bitrate for clarity. If the zoom stutters, clear unused layers, render preview, and confirm all keyframes are on the same clip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.